Hey guys, if you know what this means, you know it means love, and I love you guys. Welcome back to my channel, and yeah, Alyssa here, and basically today we are going to be having fun with, give me a drum roll please, peaches and cinnamon. That's peaches, that's cinnamon. As you all know, they are very famous. Once they're on my channel, I'm gonna make them famous. So today is a doggy winter wonderland. Oh, you guys, what is this? What? Mm. Are you gonna go get it? No. Hello? We'll try this. Go get it! Oh, nope, okay. Cinnamon! No! Peaches got the red ball, the red football I threw. Oh, hold on. I'll start down. Whew. Here comes. Whew. We're walking in a doggy winter wonderland. Here comes Mrs. Dogs, here comes Mrs. Dogs. Right down Mrs. Dog's lane. Instead of Mrs. Claus, it's Mrs. Dogs. Miss Dogs. Well, Miss Dogs. Sister Dogs. I love you guys. I thought we were gonna go after each other. Yup. It's stuck. Okay, that's better. This isn't my good hand, but I have to hold it on this hand. Trying to not click recently used apps. That's the way I'm holding. Peaches is gonna go after her, I have a feeling. Cinnamon's just waiting there patiently. Yup. Back to the wall. Wall fighting. The little one's just sitting right there. And Peaches is just slapping her with her paw. You see the camera? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Peaches. Say hi, Cinnamon. Come here. Is you two gonna be YouTube famous? I think you two are gonna get famous. We got the babies, and we got the other babies. You guys, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys right here. Don't worry, you're not. Still. And if the camera falls, it's fine. We can just pick it back up. But I'm just gonna show you the dogs. So they're mostly gonna be hanging out over there. But here, that's better. All right, let's go. I gotta go grab the dog. see. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's adorable. Okay guys, come on. They're like waiting for me. Okay, you guys. You ready? Wait. Alright. Cinnamon, come here.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes.
Okay, you guys, I think we're gonna end it from here. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.